Don't look like a 10.
Okay, guys, this is why we love what we do. We get clients that come through with cars like this. Look at this. This is the first time I've seen a lot of cars. I have ever seen a Tesla with a kit on it. Look at this trunk. Look at this amps and this speaker. How you close the trunk? I want to catch this carbon fiber. Let me see this. Y'all look at this carbon. Ooh, got the carbon fiber deck lid, carbon fiber diffuser. Got a carbon fiber skirt on it, chromed out, 4 Giatti wheels, the front spoiler. That's a bad. And ooh, got the carbon fiber hood too. He ain't playing with him. Look at that. Now see, I love it when I see stuff like this. This is my first time seeing a Tesla with a kid on it. That's sexy. I'm not a Tesla guy, but that one right there looks good. That looks good, guys. So HoustonWheelRepair.org, MyWheelDoctor.com. This is another reason why we are the best. Look at that. Look at that. See, this is how we do it up here. We're gonna fix these 4Gs up for them. But people bring their babies to us and they trust it. HoustonWheelRepair.com, MyWheelDoctor.com. 713-942-0294. This is another reason why we are the best.